close, gets it, but it's a free ball. Big hit, big defense. And this time Lupke slowed down by the block. Again, Takahashi on the old jump set fake. That's sweet, and that's an even better set this time too, as Asparov on the right side as opposed to left.
Raffaelli's shot was good. Rand really coming to the fore for Padova at the end of this set. Performance, the serve, the hitter for Padova. And there's Rand again from the back row. He lifts himself to...
Those plays from someone like Takahashi can be the impetus to get Padova on a bit of a roll.
Puts it into play. Saita, backcourt attack, Takahashi. Ran Takahashi with real energy with this finish.
For the serve, high hand there for Petric. Ball might have been on his way to him as well before Matsoni hit it. Oh, the up and down, Ran Takahashi gets it done. 15.
From the back line, Ran Takahashi. Poro.
Cool. Through the Padova front court. 2-point set. Padova won the opener. Bullet. Ran Takahashi really gives it everything.
Maniuk. Oh, Takahashi. Take a bow.
Joandi Leal with the Brazilian fans in the audience and their yellow and green attire prominent, getting right behind their players. There are a few of them on the court tonight. Well played, Padova. Here we've got Riccardo Lucarelli, 31-year-old out.
At every point in that relegation battle, absolutely crucial with only 2 games left after this. There's another point. That's coming back in from Takahashi as well, serving at 2-1 Padova. Just took everything off that. Oh, brilliantly disguised, absolutely brilliantly disguised. They were setting up for a big one. And look at him, you can see just takes that.
Side out for the set. And off the net take. Saita. Ran Takahashi wins the set. Padova back in it. 25.
It's a challenging serve as well. Into the block and no chance there for Magalini. Absolutely no chance. Not with Marco Volpato waiting to swallow it up.
Back row, lovely cut to the line. Ran Takahashi has given it everything there.
And it goes to Saita. Just can't find the floor, Padova. It's not ideal from Piacenza. Oh, Ran Takahashi can.
So just lacking that accuracy at the moment, Padova. Oh, they've got the reflexes to keep this one alive. In comes the swing, there's the defense. Taranto keep it alive. Be a free ball for Padova to play with. And this time, Takahashi finds the right swing.
For Ibadeport. And Milano are now in a very strong position. That was a really safe serve, surprisingly, from Milad Ibadeport. And it got what it deserved. Takahashi scored Perrin earlier this week. Sapochkov not 100%. Ran Takahashi plus pipe attack equals spec.
Wow, they're just exploding out of all positions at the moment, and when the ball is on the setter's head, the block overload is just too much. Watch this.
Other parts of the world, Poland last season for Petkovic. That's a nice rescue. Can Takahashi conjure something? Oh, I'll get out of here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I mean, that is some hit. That really is some hit. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's a monster! It's 3 points in a row. It's a huge block.
Actually, the way it finished for Verona, they cannot carry that into this fourth set. Well, we could well be looking at a tiebreaker. Ooh, did you see that act?
Zani next to him too, all the way through that big black wall. Oh, Takahashi.
Takahashi from the back line just sweeps him.
Maritza serves over to Takahashi. Second chance for him, and this time he drives that one.
Chances Opolari to set for Takahashi. What did I tell you? Those guys love that play. And it...
Panama still hitting and hitting heavy.
For Padova. Here's Herrera. Takahashi. And that's going to score the point for Padova and draw them back to within one again.
Even a movement step there. Petkovic to serve. Good serve. Free ball. Takahashi takes it. Takes the return and goes for the dart tip. So a little bit of movement in the arm, but very quick contact of the fingers, and plateau off for the libero. Out of system again. Well controlled by Asparuhov. And he knew it was there. Knew it was there, ran Takahashi. As he came in off that line, he could see the diagonal was open. It had to be a really accurate hit. He's not overhit it, but look at the contact on.
Points in this second set. Oh, that pinged back awkwardly for Padova, but they've turned it around, and that was beautifully finished off by Ran Takahashi. 16-11, what a scoreline this is in favour of...
And opposite, should they be needed. Reduce the block to recycle. Takahashi again, magic, some shot from the left side. How did he get that?
Oh, fantastic. Ran Takahashi. Ran Takahashi blitzes that line shot. No picking that up.
From Ran Takahashi, his first season abroad.
For Stoichev. Oh, Zopolari and Takahashi work so well together.
Hitting off the net. Comes through that block. Set has to be good. They got bodies across there to shut down the swing. Instead, it's Ran Takahashi who shows Petkovic how to do it. They recycled that.
Velasquez changes it up for the hybrid John Float. Takahashi goes power tip again. He's thrown some serious darts out there tonight.
Another cracking serve from the Frenchman. That's in. Good spike from Padova.
You can land on the line, you can land with most of your foot over, but if your whole foot is over, that's the call, and that was the call. But Padova comes right back with a nice side out.
Canella goes for a short one. Golini's only just got it. They stayed aggressive. They stayed aggressive, but Takahashi can go aggressive here and is brilliant. Well, that all came off the quality of the serve. Actually, a short serve.
Go to Lepke, running set. Fallaci over to Stefani. There's a dig, now a chance. Takahashi, he does it, and Padova comes all the way back to pull off the reverse sweep on the road over Taranto.